Hi, welcome. Join us in the journey of sunflowers to cooking oil. We will see main aspects of harvesting sunflowers and turning them into sunflower oil, while discovering many interesting facts about this incredible plant. The name sunflower originates from the plant's characteristic behavior of tracking the sun's movement throughout the day, a phenomenon known as heliotropism. This behavior allows sunflowers to maximize their exposure to sunlight for growth and photosynthesis, earning them a name that signifies their affinity for the sun. The season of sunflower harvesting is upon us, bringing with it the golden glow of autumn. As the summer's embrace fades, these cheerful blooms gracefully bow their heads, offering up their bountiful seeds. It's a time when fields come alive with the hum of harvesters and the scent of sun-warmed petals. The sunflowers, like nature's own treasures, remind us to embrace change with grace and yield our gifts to the world. Automatic sunflower harvesting machines, known as combine harvesters, efficiently harvest sunflower crops by following these key steps. Approach and positioning. The combine harvester is driven to the field and positioned for cutting. Reel and cutter bar. The machine uses a reel to guide sunflower heads to a cutter bar equipped with blades. Cutting and gathering. The cutter bar cuts sunflower stalks, and the reel directs the plants into the harvester. Threshing. A rotor or cylinder separates seeds from the rest of the plant. Cleaning and separation. Seeds are cleaned and separated from debris through sieves and air flows. Collection and storage. Cleaned seeds are stored in a tank within the harvester. Unloading. When the tank is full, seeds are unloaded into a trailer or bin. Continued operation. The harvester repeats these steps until the entire field is harvested, using advanced technology to optimize efficiency and minimize seed loss. Now, it is time to visit some huge sunflower oil factories around the world in order to see the process from extracting oil to the final packaging and delivery. Stay with us till the end. And now the sunflower seeds arrive at the factory and the magic begins. Upon arrival at the factory, sunflower seeds undergo quality controls. Visual inspection checks for contamination, physical damage, and foreign materials. Moisture content is measured to ensure proper levels for processing. Size, color, appearance, odor, and taste are evaluated. Chemical analysis may assess oil content and composition. Seeds are cleaned to remove impurities. Dehulling or shelling may occur to remove outer shells. Seed conditioning adjusts moisture levels for optimal processing. Pre-pressing extracts a portion of the oil, producing sunflower oil cake or meal. These initial steps prepare the sunflower seeds for the main oil extraction process, which involves further crushing, heating, and pressing to maximize oil extraction. The extracted oil then undergoes additional refining and processing to produce high-quality sunflower oil suitable for various culinary and industrial applications. Since the seeds are dehulled and shelled during processing, the hulls and shells are collected and they are used in composting or as a source of biomass for energy production. In this case, they produce pellets. Now you will see a huge and modern factory from Turkey producing sunflower oil with a capacity of 1,500 tons a day. The company Rika Oil was established in 2010 with the latest technology. Enjoy the bottle filling lines, packaging lines, and see how all the process is automated. The first step in bottle manufacturing is the production of PET preforms. Preforms are small, tubular shapes that will be stretched and blown into the final bottle shape. Most sunflower oil manufacturers buy these preforms to turn them into the bottles by stretch-blow molding. Stretch-blow molding machines are used to turn the PET preforms into finished bottles. This process involves these stages: preform heating, stretching, blowing, and cooling. Did you know these? Ukraine has consistently held the title of the world's largest producer of sunflower oil. The country's favorable climate and extensive sunflower cultivation make it a global leader in sunflower oil production. Sunflower oil is not just used for cooking. It's also a key ingredient in the production of biodiesel, making it an important player in the renewable energy sector. This dual-purpose nature of sunflower oil highlights its versatility and economic significance. Sunflower oil's popularity has been steadily increasing globally, driven by its health benefits, neutral flavor, and versatility in cooking. It is a staple in many households and the food industry due to its heart-healthy profile and high smoke point.